Have you ever felt like you don't know where to start? Have you ever tried to search the internet for these questions? How to make money? How to manage my money? How to save money? What is my credit score? How do I fix my credit? How do I lose weight? How to cook healthy? What's the weather going to be this week? What's going on in sports, news, and stocks? What do I have going on today? Ever felt like you want to know the answer to one of these questions, if not all of them, but you don't know where to turn? Wouldn't it be nice to manage your entire life in one website? All of these questions answered in your very own back office, made just for you. That's why we created Your Growth, to give you the direction and answers. Wouldn't it be nice to have a life coach every step of the way? At Your Growth, we have created just that, a web coach for everything you need in life. Wouldn't it be nice to log on to your back office every morning and have all the answers and the direction you need to have a successful and enjoyable day? Manage your credit score. Learn how to repair your credit. Save money. Learn how to make money from home. Learn how to cook healthy, fun meals and how to work out. Manage your daily, weekly, monthly schedule. Have the news, sports, stocks updated daily. Wouldn't it be nice to go to only one website to log on and be done searching for all the answers you're looking for? Welcome to Your Growth. Let's get you started. Go to yourgrowth.com and go to login, or call 1-866-630-1108 or email us at support@yourgrowth.com. Remember, you are your own growth.